Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply these green screen stock videos onto your videos in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this 2023 overlay. I'm just going to place it on the second track, and I am going to find something to apply like underneath. I am going to select, for instance, this video underneath. Then I'm going to select this green screen here, and I'm just going to select the cutout option. Select this chroma key, select the color picker, and select the green background. Here we go. Pick the color here, and you can adjust the strength here. Make sure it doesn't go away. You can also add in some shadows if you'd like to, just a little bit. And yeah, that is pretty much it, how you can use the green screen from your stock videos. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.